Is that a round stone with spots and legs? No, it's an insect. All insects have 6 legs, but not all of them have spots. This spotted insect is a ladybug. She has only a few spots. Some ladybugs have many spots. Others have none at all. Today we are going to write about ladybugs. Ladybugs will not bug you. They will help your rose garden. You can buy ladybugs to put in your garden. There are over 4,000 kinds of ladybugs. They can be different colors, they have different numbers of spots, but they are all ladybugs. A ladybug's wings are hidden under their wing cases, which we sometimes call shells. Ladybugs cannot have more than 24 spots. Next time you see one outside, try to count how many spots it has. You may see a mommy or daddy ladybug eating small insects that will hurt your roses. They think these aphids will make a fine lunch. A ladybug's jaws move side to side and not up and down. Ladybugs eat over 75 aphids each day. Let's take a look at the life cycle of a ladybug. It takes 4 to 8 weeks, which is from 1 month to 2 months, for a ladybug to go from an egg to a full-grown adult. A ladybug begins as a tiny egg. Then it hatches into a larva. Then it rests as a pupa. Finally, it changes into an adult ladybug who will be your garden friend. Ladybugs can play dead to trick their predators by turning upside down like you see here in this photo. But other bugs and birds will not eat ladybugs because they taste terrible. What are we talking about today? Why did God make them? How are ladybugs friends to a garden? What colors can their shells be? Do they have to have spots? How do ladybugs move? Do birds eat ladybugs? Today you are going to write a title and a story about ladybugs. Remember, a title is the name of a story, book, poem, or a song. Important words in titles are capitalized. Titles are not complete sentences. Here are some helpful words you might need to use while writing your story. You can pause this video to look at these words. This week we are writing about ladybugs. Instead of writing the title on Monday, we are going to write the title today and write a rough draft today. Tomorrow, on Thursday, you're going to edit, which means fix your mistakes, and write a second draft. And on Friday, you're going to fix your mistakes or edit again, and then copy your story into the blue book. Before you submit your story to your teacher, check for your name, a title. Check to see if you have capital letters in correct places. Check for periods at the ends of sentences. Look to see if you have 5 sentences in your story. Does each sentence make sense? Are your words spelled correctly? Is the story in order? And is there a concluding sentence to your story? Check for these things before submitting your story to the teacher. Here are some helpful proofreading marks you might need while you edit your story on Thursday. The 3 little lines remind you to write a capital letter. If your word is circled with an SP next to it, that means you spelled it wrong. Check your spelling. If there is a slash through a letter, that reminds you that this letter should not be capitalized. If there is a little caret with a word between 2 of your words, you need to insert this word into your sentence. That means add that word into your sentence. And if there is a circle at the end of your sentence, that means you're missing a punctuation mark, like a period or a question mark in this case. Now you are ready to write your story.